Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a whipped topping using milk and sugar only. It's important to understand that true whipped cream relies on the high fat content of heavy cream. While regular milk won't achieve the same stiff peaks, we can still create a light, frothy topping with a few simple steps. To begin, ensure your whole milk is as cold as possible, straight from the refrigerator. For optimal results, place your metal mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This cold environment helps the milk froth more effectively, even with its lower fat content. Now pour 1 cup of your very cold whole milk into the chilled bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar for sweetness. Using an electric mixer, begin whipping on high speed. You'll notice the milk becoming frothy and increasing in volume, creating a light, airy texture. Remember, this milk and sugar mixture will create a lovely froth, but it won't achieve the stable, stiff peaks of traditional whipped cream due to the lower fat content. It's best enjoyed immediately, as it will deflate over time. This light, sweet froth is perfect for topping hot chocolate, coffee, or fresh fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.